Late night movie marathons showing up on your face? It's time to get rid of it and wake up your skin using the magic of Ayurvedic skincare routine. This 4-step morning routine will give instant freshness to your face and make your day all bright and vibrant. The first step is to apply a cleaning foam all over your face and rub it gently to get rid of all dirt and excess oil. Next, pour a few drops of the face serum. This will help you get rid of any acne, blemishes or spots on your face. Softly massage all over your face. This will activate the blood cells on your face and prevent fine lines. Now spritz the Kama Ayurveda Sustainable Unisex Pure Rose Water as it has antibacterial properties, tightens pores and reduces puffiness. These 4 easy steps will help you give an instant freshness to your face and get rid of morning blues in just a few minutes. The stress and pressure of working from home can really get on my nerves. It also makes my skin look dull and take away the radiance of my face. But I know what needs to be done. Let's get started. An instant way to get a glow on my face is a peel-off. It helps remove the dirt from my face and gets rid of all the dead cells. The peel-off mask I'm using is the Himalaya Unisex Orange Peel-Off Mask. It gives a smooth skin in just a few minutes and helps get rid of all impurities. Now start applying it evenly, starting from the center to the outline of your face. Make sure you're barefaced before applying the makeup. Make sure to apply the peel-off mask away from your eyes and eyebrows. It can be really annoying to get your eyebrows pulled out while peeling the mask off. It's time to chill for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Let your mask completely dry before moving on to the next step. Gently pull on the outside of the mask and begin to peel it off, starting from the forehead and pulling downwards. You will see that there's an instant radiance on your face and no more tan or dullness. Wasn't this so easy? I highly recommend using a peel-off mask after a tiring day or for sudden get-togethers. Try it out yourself and stay tuned for some more episodes. Bye guys!
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.